And let's begin with the latest reaction that's just come in of Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju, who's lashed out at the opposition, accusing them of stalling Parliament. He's also condemned the no-confidence motion that the opposition brought in the Rajya Sabha against Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar, against the Vice President. Kiren Rijiju has accused the opposition of disrespecting Parliament and has said that the Congress should apologise to the nation at a time when you've got the Congress maintaining that, look, we are more than willing to have discussions, debates in Parliament, and that it's the government that's actually stalling discussions in both houses. Let's take a look at exactly what Kiren Rijiju has said.
उनका इस कदम को मैं खंडन करना चाहता हूं। हमारे पास पूरा बहुमत है, एनडीए सरकार के पास पूरा संख्या है और सदन के पूरे मेजॉरिटी मेंबर्स उपराष्ट्रपति जी को ऊपर में पूरा भरोसा है। हम माननीय चेयरमैन का कामकाज से बहुत खुश हैं। ओसीसीआरपी और कांग्रेस नेतृत्व का तालमेल जब से सामने में आए हैं तो कांग्रेस पार्टी और उनके कुछ साथी बहुत बुरी तरह से तिलमिलाए हुए हैं, घबराए हुए हैं।
Okay, let's bring in Aishwarya Paliwal on this broadcast for more details. Aishwarya, while you've got Kiren Rijiju blaming the opposition for the stalemate currently in Parliament and the lack of productivity, the lack of business, the opposition is pinning the blame on the government. Is there any attempt essentially by the government, by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, to kind of break and end the stalemate?
Well, let me tell you, both the sides, Akshita, have dug in their heels. We are seeing statements obviously being made. On one side, we have Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who stepped out and said that the only protest that the Congress party is doing is between 10:30 to 11 and 11 sharp when the Lok Sabha begins. They are all sitting inside because they want the parliament to function. On the other side, we have the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, BJP Minister Kiren Rijiju, coming out and saying that there is an appeal of sorts that we are giving out. You need to let the parliament function. So there is a lot of smoke screen out here because they are all speaking to the media, but let me tell you, they are not speaking with each other. So the stalemate still continues. The Congress party specifically believes that the Adani issue is something that needs to be looked into. They also believe a JPC needs to be formed into. The government believes if there are other issues that you want to speak about apart from the Adani issue, then the floor is all open. You can speak about those things provided you follow the procedure. So a stalemate of sorts, and the result, Akshita, as you were mentioning earlier, is that there is big zero. The productivity of the entire session, almost which is about to get over, has been zero. In barely minutes, we are seeing the Lok Sabha being adjourned, the opposition blaming the government, the BJP, and the BJP turning around.
The reality is both sides here have done nothing to bridge this problem or bridge this gap. The Congress saying let's discuss Adani, the BJP saying let's discuss Soros, and in the midst of that, absolutely nothing else happening.